hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Like and subscribe. Hi everybody, it's Storm and I'm here with another tutorial. Okay, so today we're just doing an eyeshadow look. I do a light foundation using cream concealer. You guys can see in the end, it's pretty dope. And these are the colors that I use on her eyes and her lips for the end. And this is what's going to be her foundation for the final result. And of course, I gotta have the glow, girl. Need the glow. Alright, so I kind of put it in slow motion for you guys. I'm just adding the darkest purple to the outer corners of her eyes, working it into her crease. But you guys could put it on the whole lid if you guys are unfamiliar with doing your eyeshadow, because you still have to go over it anyways with the cream concealer. But yeah. So as you can see, I'm working it in, girl. You know. Oh, this child cannot stop moving. But yes, and now I'm actually getting the second lighter purple, and I'm putting it right at the edge of her eye. If you look directly in the mirror, you'll see the edge of your eye, farthest to the left and farthest to your right. And you guys just put it right there. And now this is the cream concealer. I have to lighten the very corner of her eyes to get that the white look that we want in the end, with the lightest color being like a cream. Okay, so now that I have put the cream concealer down on the base and the corners of her eyes, I am now actually putting the cream color in the eyeshadow palette to basically make it matte, so it's not like watery looking. And just blend it all together so the eye can be smooth. Do circles on the actual lid to blend the colors. Don't just scrape them, And now I am doing her foundation. I'm cleaning up the outer edges of her eyeshadow where it fell first. And then with that, I'm just going to go on her under eyes with the yellowish tone that I posted, and then I'm going to mix it in with the lighter tone because she's more on the pale side. And basically mixing these two colors will actually make her skin tone, because I did not have it. And I'm just dabbing it. Her mom came in. I'm just dabbing it. And I actually used a cosmetic sponge for her blending. I normally use my hands. I get down and dirty with this makeup stuff. But anyways, so now you can see that I'm adding more of the yellowish tone because she was a little too pale. Well, my eyes. So, made it more browns. And her hair was in the way. And then I'm going out around her hairline, along her hairline, to contour. So now that the contouring is into play, you see it coming through, baby. But yeah, so I'm just blending a little bit at a time to where I get the type of brown look I want going for her contour. So I just work it in little by little. There's no point of putting a whole bunch, And then with this, I just got a little powder palette to try to, make it matte. I forgot to put it, but I'll put it in here for you guys. And yeah, I just put the powder over her contour brown, and then of course the lighter tone for the rest of her face to make sure the whole face is making sense and it's all matte, not just her contour of her cheekbones, Okay, now we halfway there, little baby. Come through with the shadow. Go ahead. Period. All right, so now we're back and we got the glow going on, honey. I actually use my finger because we have oil in our finger and it spreads the glow evenly on the foundation. Well, in this case, cream concealer. And I put it on the peak, of course. I don't do it all the way up the nose, but if you do, go ahead. And now it's time for the lips, baby. She had to get her lips right, though. I actually put on 2 layers of matte before I put sparkles, and I actually put sparkles on her lips. So yeah, take your time with it. It's the lip line. Lips got to be on fleek. Okay. Period. And this is a sparkle palette I use. It's actually called Cara. She don't know, she won't. She don't even know. Okay, we found it. So now that we got the sparkles she chose, let's get to it. Second layer of matte, let it dry. And then put them sparkles. Put them sparkles on them lips, period. And now for the liner. The liner looks bomb, of course. I actually had her open her eyes as we went on, so I can actually line it up with her eye shape. So yeah, now I'm cleaning it up with a little concealer just to make sure it's on fleek, baby. And bam, and this is the final look. Like and subscribe. Oh, turning your bell notification right now and like and subscribe to see me again. For real. Like, honey, even if my eyeball is falling out my head, like, expect to see something. I mean, every day. A vlog, story time, whatever. And I just want to thank you guys so much. I just want to thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. The update. So I got a new poll, as you can see. Yes, girl, period, come through. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know to expect a video from me every day. I should be dropping them around 2 p.m. every day, if that's not too bad. So expect a vlog or something